Now, let's talk about some of the relationships sa mga angles. So, one of that is what I call vertical angles. Now, pag sinabing vertical angles, they are equal. Now, these angles are congruent. When I say congruent, parehas. So, let's take a look with this example. Let's say, for example, let's name this one as line N, and the other one is line M. Now, there's an intersection between these two lines. Because of these intersections, they form four angles. So we name this one as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Now what's the relationship between 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 4 and 3, 3 and 1? As what I said, we're going to discuss this one by one as we go on with our discussion. So we have here, say, vertical angles that are equal. So in our previous discussion, we talk about vertical, and we had known that vertical kaatbang. So these are angles that are opposite to each other. So we have here, for example, angle 1, yung kaatbang, yung ka-opposite is angle 4. So angle 2 and angle 3. Since these angles 1 and 4 are opposite to each other, or sa madaling salita, vertical, so they are also congruent, parehas. Again na, parehas. So in this illustration, pag tinatanong yung angles, vertical angles, kaatbang, no, yung katapat, so your answer will be angle 1 is congruent to angle 4, and angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. So what is the relationship? That is vertical angles. Again, 1 and 4 are vertical, 2 and 3 are also vertical. So let's have another example here. So we have here a parallel lines. So let's name this one as line M and line N. Then the transversal line P. Okay, again, line M and line N are parallel lines. When say parallel, no matter how far you extend these two lines, they will never meet to each other. While this line P is the line that intersects to these parallel lines. So in these intersections, we can form a relationship. So one of that is vertical angles, and the other one, we're going to discuss this one as we go on with our discussion. So we have here we have angles, no, that were formed in this intersection. We have angles that were formed. The first one is the bottom, and the second angles are on the top. So we have, in this case, no, ditong banda, pag sinasabing vertical angle, yun yung angle 1 and 4. So angle 1 and angle 4, and the other one is angle 2 and 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. Now, sa ibabang parte, so we have vertical angles here, 5, angle 5, and angle 6. What else? Okay, angle 6, angle 8 pala. No, it's not 6. Angle 5 and angle 8. Then angle 7 and angle 6. Now you can write this one vice versa, 6, 7, 8, 5, as long as they are in pair. No? Again, say angles, they are congruent to each other, and there lies opposite to each other as well. So there's vertical angles. Huwag mo nang lituin ng sarili mo. Kaatbang, that's vertical angle.